Hi. Um, so my box came from Dewberry U and it's sitting right here. Great big box. I'm going to go ahead and flip my camera so that we can unbox it. And you can see it is huge. I'm excited for it. Okay, be right back when I flip this. Okay, so I put the box on the floor. I'm going to go ahead and pull things out one at a time and explain what they are, which is, oh, fun, it's like Christmas. Okay, so, make sure my sound's on. Okay, so the first thing that I found was the double loader. And I do have one of these, but these are so cool. I will use both of them because I not only paint here in my art studio, my craft studio, but I also paint out on our 3-season porch. So this is very fun. And what it is it snaps open. You can put your paint in here. You put one color in each side. And it also has a place for the floating media, which is cool. And it keeps it from getting dried out. I learned all this from Donna on her videos. And then this has a little foam in it that you wet, and when you get it wet and then you cover it up, it's really cool because then your paints can last, I think Donna said up to a month without getting really dried out. So you don't have to waste a lot of, oh, it's a little cracked, that's all right. I have no problem with that. Let's see. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. This is like Christmas. And then we have the brush basin, and this has a nice little like raised area to clean your brushes or set your brushes in. I also have the bigger green one that I bought a while ago, so that's really nice. That's way cool. Oh, fun. We have her, this is for a sponge painter. It's for doing backgrounds usually, is what I've seen her do on her videos. So that's really kind of fun. And all kinds of paint. Let's see, we have just all kinds of paint. And I have quite a bit of paint from several of the kits that I've bought from her. A friend of mine started painting together, and she's gotten busy over the summer, so she hasn't been painting with me, but I've been practicing, getting ready for this, so I'm pretty excited. But you can see there's so many colors, beautiful, beautiful colors, browns and reds and blues and yellows, purples. We have more of that floating medium, and Donna always suggests not to use water when you paint, but to use the floating media. So these are way cool. And I have a little, I don't know if you can see it, I have a little set up here with all of my paints that I have bought, and some of them I don't even have open because they're multiples. So I'm going to push these all out of the way. Actually, I don't have the bag, I can't find it, so I'm just going to push these out of the way. If you're thinking of doing the level 1, there are a lot of great teachers. I'm taking mine through Mandy Schison. She's really excellent. Paint brushes, lots of paint brushes, which I have a couple of these sets, but the brushes are always nice to have. They come in way handy when you have extras, because they go through and tell you how to take care of your brushes, but eventually you're going to get brushes that don't hold their chisel, or they just start to, you know, fall apart. So that's kind of nice. Oh, cool. There has been a course, and oh, they have done such a nice job. They have, oh, I'm really emotional. This is so exciting. So this is what you get, and it has all of the patterns that you're going to want to work with so that you can paint. There's 5 different pieces that you'll paint, and then all of the information in here, what to do. They have done a really good job, she and Amanda. And then, of course, you get your, it's my stroke. I lose words a lot of times, but you paint on these, whatever they're called. And these are nice because they're the stretched ones. I have some of the hard ones, but I really like the stretched ones too. So, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those in the box. So I'm really excited. Mandy is going to help me to do this, and I'm expecting to have a whole lot of fun. I'm really glad you joined me. Join me later as I learn things, and I kind of go through some of the things I learned. So thanks for joining. Bye-bye.